So I want to start doing more of these videos for you guys. I am Derek and call myself Derek Epic's Adventures on all of my social channels because I get to live this amazing epic life, this journey in Alaska, where I've called home for basically the last 20 years or so. I get to guide people around with a company that I work for and literally get to show people the state that I have fell in love with and been exploring for all this time. Together with my beautiful partner in crime, Rachel, and all of our kids, we love to explore this state together. I've been doing it for quite some time. So now, part of our job we get to do is do this on the side. And a heartbeat, as you guys see my channel and other social feeds that I have, all about life, adventure, entrepreneurship, and specifically entrepreneurship around the themes of adventure. Just absolutely love to help more people see how they can explore this state specifically, but not just this state, because I love to travel, that adventure culture that all of us are so passionate about. All of us on whatever platform, YouTube, Instagram, those of you guys that are still on Facebook, Threads as well, all that. So right now I'm in this beautiful town called Girdwood, ski town, mainly known. It's a really outdoorsy community. People love to do all sorts of things outdoors here in this part of Alaska, just south of Anchorage. You can see behind me there, coming into view, the Alyeska Resort. And there's a ton of hiking around here, all sorts of things you can do in the backcountry, explore some glaciers, take the tram up to the top of the mountain, hike up to the top of the mountain. Me and Rachel have done that before. My guests come from all over the world. They get to hang out here in Girdwood. We show them a good time, take them to an amazing local brewery, Girdwood Brewery Company, and the food trucks that they have there, man, second to none. And then go up the tram here in Girdwood. There's so much to do here in Alaska. Guys, we got one life to live. And part of my passion is to explore it as much as I can, for Rachel and I to see and make all these core memories together and have our kids see these different parts of our world, not just here in this state, which is massive, tons of opportunities to explore, but all over the place where we get to go and where we get to go in the future as well. It's amazing to be able to live this life. But guys, it takes funding to be able to do this, right? And that's one of the things that I want to talk about more and more on my page and my channels, is how I've developed this. Now, there's a little bit of a hustle culture mentality behind it, because you have to work your can off to make this type of lifestyle possible. But over time, you can build income streams, some passive, some more active than others. But as you focus on those efforts, you can really see the fruit of your labors brought in. So I've done different things in the past as far as e-commerce with some Shopify stores. I'm going to be delving back into that more in the future. Done a little bit of coaching as well in that space, helping others navigate how to start, how to do an apparel brand, hats, t-shirts, hoodies, all the way up to full custom builds, how to navigate websites, how to build content, how to manage that content across your social platforms and have it be in unity and sync with your website overall design and brand colors and aesthetic and the message and story and the why that you're telling with your brand, whether it's a personal brand or an apparel brand, that kind of thing. All the way even to things like print on demand, POD, different platforms that I've tested, experimented, and my favorite one out there that works really well all around, and even within that niche of my favorite platform, which ones specifically do better than others, customer service wise and quality wise and all that kind of stuff, all the way to the area of digital products. Oh, check this out, guys. Let me show you this behind me. Can you guys see how much it focuses? There's the tram. My guests that I guide down here get to go up there. Beautiful day today. Up to just under 2,500 to 3,000 feet, something like that. The ridge goes up further, just shy of 4,000 feet. Me and Rachel have done that. That is quite fun, let me tell you. Oh, so guys, digital products as well. Of selling digital assets, PDFs, guides, things like that I want to do more of personally on Derek's Epic Adventures. I've been exploring throughout Alaska the last 20 years, 2 decades, and now I get to do this on my actual job and being able to share more. Oop, they're doing some construction there. Let's go back this way. But being able to do more of sharing with you guys specifically where I go, some of my favorite spots, me and Rachel's favorite spots that we adventure to, whether in the outdoors or more not as crazy adventure type things, and everything in between. And how you guys too can package your knowledge and your experience and help other people benefit from that. So Derek's Epic Adventures in Alaska, hope this resonates with you guys. I want to encourage you guys to, no matter where you're at in your journey, you can fund your lifestyle, that adventure culture lifestyle, the hashtag YOLO, you only live once, and figure out your why and what you want to do, the adventure life that you want to live, places that you want to travel, the dreams that you have, and come up with some active and passive revenue streams, things like selling on Amazon and all these other things. So whether it be website design, Shopify, and then the hustle culture of delivery jobs like Amazon Flex and DoorDash and Instacart and all that kind of stuff that I've done as well. Want to share all that throughout my journey, just be real with you guys where I'm at. So just kind of a brain dump here a little bit in this installment, this little episode here, let you guys know where I've come. Made 6 figures plus on Shopify with apparel brands in the past, and have sustained myself and me and Rachel together on that delivery job type culture, driven dump trucks and plow trucks, and like I said, now combining our love in the outdoors to actually guide for a company, and looking at continuing to grow, get back into the e-commerce game on the Shopify platform again here soon, and lessons that I've learned and try to implement those lessons I've learned to avoid pitfalls in the future, as well as selling digital in the digital space, digital products around the adventure culture space, Alaska and beyond. So let me know how this resonates with you guys. If you guys are adventure seekers yourselves, where you guys love to adventure to, and the kind of things that you want to pave the way for your future in providing income so you guys as well can do more of that adventure culture and travel beautiful epic places like Alaska and beyond. There's a lot of international places that I'd love to still get to in my life, and gotta make that income to provide for the family and to be able to fund that kind of a lifestyle. So let me know, you guys interested in that? What are you guys learning? What are you guys doing around that space? Last thing, ending this video here, check out my friend here, right there. See him there? Is he blurry? Boom, there he goes. We'll call him Bernard the Bear. How's that sound? Alyeska Resort, Girdwood, Alaska. Derek's Epic Adventures. Keep it real, guys. Take care.